Okay, today we're going to go ahead and take apart these rear calipers on the Ford Escape, and I'm going to show you the tips and tricks we got, and I got some special tools to take out the retainer clip on this thing. And this is the little monster that we fight to get out. Hopefully you guys can see to where this grabs a hold of that lip on the inside, and I'm going to show you that in the video. Those little guys right there, and you got to press them all at one time, of course. Okay, next up we're going to remove the spring that holds the e-brake cable. I'm going to pull that spring off with a pair of pliers. Alright, now all we got to do is just keep ratcheting this thing until the piston comes out. I like to remove the dust cover first. I just get a small screwdriver and pry it. And then we can ratchet to freedom. Just got to watch out for the oil or brake fluid that's still in it. As you can see, it moves the piston because it's a screw that turns it, and it'll eventually free it up. And once we get to the end, we can spin it right on out. Alright, here's that booger cage we're talking about. As you can see, there's the cage has got a spring that holds it in and puts tension on that rod. So the stack up that you're seeing is that cage, that spring, and it has this washer underneath it. And it has that post that comes through all of it. Like that. So I've made some special tools. Now I've gotten this cage out with the small screwdriver, but I made some special tools up to pull it apart. I don't know how far you guys want to get into this, but this tool, and it grabs a hold of it perfectly, as you can see. And that's what you need in order to pull it out of that caliper. Alright, so we go in here, we're going to find those clips. Just press down on it. And out it comes. That's it. The rest of it's pretty much self-explanatory once we get the spring, of course the washer, and then the post, the screw, e-brake actuator, and then we're going to take a punch and press that pin right there out. Take a hammer and a punch, we got to press that out. Okay, so we got a 3/16 punch, and then we're just going to punch the pin out. holds the e-brake lever. And as you can see, it's knurled on the end. And all it is just a little press fit. Now we can pull it. Pull this right on out. And there's a keeper in between there that actuates it. That's all there is to it. Of course, we're going to clean it up, put new seals in it.